Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find Trust Wallet QR code. For that, you will have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, in order to find your Trust Wallet QR code, you simply need to select that particular coin and you are going to get the QR code of that particular coin. So let's say you want to find the QR code for AVAX. So you need to tap on AVAX and here you are going to see this receive tab. So if you tap on the receive tab, then you are going to see the QR code as well as the deposit address of AVAX. If you want to get it for any other coin, let's say you want to get it for Cardano, then you will have to tap on ADA and here you will have to tap on receive. Then you are going to get the Trust Wallet deposit address of ADA. So this is how you can easily find Trust Wallet QR code. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.